One of our favourite projects was the group challenge that we did at the end of the first phase, the orientation phase, and we were given a project. We were given some data on the food industry and had to come up with a solution that solved a problem. And that was a group challenge, and it was really great. From the data that we had, the idea we ended up with was something I never thought we'd actually get to, and it was super interesting and fascinating. So I think that was a really great project to make you think outside of the box and do something different.
I joined several of the open challenges, and it blew my expectations. I guess it's very perfect. I really learned a lot from my peers, from my mentors, challenge owners, and the academics, and everyone in the community. So yeah, I'm really excited to start the program.
I was very glad to be able to work on something mine while actually being mentored by Tomorrow University mentors and professors, and also collaborate with my peers. Really great.
My favorite part of the program was meeting people from all around the world with different backgrounds and joining the program for different reasons as well. So yeah, connecting with, kind of finding a connecting link with people who are in a way so different.
Working within a cohort but having access to a wider community has meant that I've been able to go out and meet new people. When I was researching for the thesis, I could speak to people about their experiences of death, and all of that is fed into Bye Goodbyes, and it's wonderful that we have that community.
You spend so much time online and speaking, which is cool, and you can be quite flexible. But once you really meet the people in person, like here at the graduation, some people I only met here, and I felt like I already know them so well. But meeting them, putting, your arms around them and smiling and laughing together, this is really where, for me, the whole experience comes to like the highlight. It's just very inspiring.